How to give a clit orgasm. Clitoral orgasm. 1. Suck and snack. Rather than simply licking her, utilization your lips and tongue to suck on her clit. The whole vulva comprises of touchy nerve filaments, says a Ph.D, so having the option to suck on the glans or the leader of the clit and gently snack on her internal and external labia, or suck a little on labia, will invigorate the nerve strands. The sucking will likewise prompt expanded vasocongestion, or more bloodstream, to the vulva and the clitoris, like a little vacuum siphon, he says. 2. Draw circles. At the point when specialists from Indiana College reviewed 1,055 ladies about their preferred sex methods, 3 out of 4 ladies said they cherish it when you follow little circles close by her clit. You can utilize your tongue, your finger, or 2-finger. 3. Implying. While you're drawing those circles, take a stab at indicating, concentrating on the territory close to her clitoris, and just once in a while coming in for an immediate touch. In that equivalent Indiana College overview, which was utilized to make the siphon, just 7 out of 10 ladies said they were into this strategy. Utilize one finger flicking all around the clitoris, yet not straightforwardly on it, says a Ph.D, creator and organizer of Sexpert.com. To carry your accomplice to climax, when she is at the stature of joy, you'll need to keep up an enduring steady stroke. 4. Pick a side. With regards to clitoral incitement, 4 out of 10 ladies have a favored side, a similar review found. Inquire as to whether there's a side she prefers better, and if she doesn't know, probe both. 5. Utilize your creative mind. At the point when you're flicking your tongue over her clitoris, envision you are painting a fence through and through, says Caudale, switching back and forth among all over. Next, go into the windshield wiper move of utilizing your tongue to go side to side,